Good morning, boys and girls of grade 4 Sunflower. Welcome to another mathematics class. I am Miss Tiffany Williams, and today, for today's maths class, we'll be looking at a very special topic. Now, before we get into that topic, I'm going to show you a video which I want you to pay keen attention to because I'm going to be asking you questions. Okay? Now, let's get right into that video.
Draw a circle in the air. Draw a triangle in the air.
I see shapes. I see shapes, shapes, shapes. Everywhere I go, I see lots of shapes. Do you know what I am? Say my name if you can. I have 4 sides, they're all the same. If you know my name, you're good at this game. What am I? You're a square. Do you know what I am? Say my name if you can. I have 4 sides, like a square, but 2 sides are shorter, and I don't care. What am I? You're a rectangle.
Draw a square in the air. Draw a rectangle in the air.
I see shapes. I see shapes, shapes, shapes. Everywhere I go, I see lots of shapes.
Circle,
Circle,
triangle,
triangle,
square,
square,
rectangle.
rectangle,
Circle, triangle, square, rectangle.
circle, triangle, square, rectangle.
Circle, triangle, square, rectangle.
Shapes are everywhere. I see shapes. I see shapes, shapes, shapes. Everywhere I go, I see lots of shapes.
Alright, now I'm sure everybody would have enjoyed that little video. Can anybody tell me what that video was about? Raise your hand. Tell me what that video was about. Yes, Rachel? Okay, Rachel is saying that that video was about playing shapes. How many persons agree with Rachel? Everybody? Very good. Indeed, the video was about playing shapes. Give her a round of applause. Good. So, playing shapes. Can anybody give me some examples of playing shapes that they saw in the video? Okay, Mark, I hear you. Mark is saying that an example of a playing shape that he saw was that of a square. How many persons saw the square? Good. So we have the square We're going to put that on the board. Next shape. Another shape that you saw. Okay, Angie is saying that the shape that she saw was that of a rectangle. That, very good, Angie. We're going to put that on the board as well. Mark is saying that the shape that he saw was that of a circle. Okay? Everybody see the circle? Good. So we can put that on the board as well. Last shape. Quickly. Very good. Angelica. Triangle. Good. Let's put it on the board. Yeah. So we have the shapes that you saw. We have the square, rectangle, circle, and triangle. Now, can anybody tell me what is a plane shape? Yes, Mary? Mary is saying that a plane shape is a shape that is flat. Very good. Give her a round of applause. Yes, a plane shape is one that is flat. Good. So let us look at the definition. A plane shape is a closed, right? It's not open. It's a closed two-dimensional or flat surface that has length and breadth but no thickness. Which shapes do we have thickness in? Very good, solid shapes. But we're not looking at solid shapes, we're looking at plane shapes. So plane shapes have length and breadth but no thickness. For example, like we saw in the video, we have triangle, circle, rectangle, and square. Now, each of these plane shapes or plane shapes in a whole have different properties. So let us look at the properties. First property, plane shapes are flat shapes. What are they? Flat shapes. Good. Next property, one of the lines that make a plane shape is called a side. So the line that you see here, right, that makes up a plane shape is called a side. What is it called? A side. Good. Let's put it back. The point where two sides meet is called a vertex or corner. What is it called? A vertex or a corner. So where two sides meet, this side reach here, this side reach here, this point here is called a vertex or a corner. Good. A square has four equal sides. How many sides? Four equal sides. And four corners or four vertices. So each side of a square is equal. Right? Good. A circle does not have sides or corners. A circle does not have sides or corners. It's just one line straight around. Okay? Good. A rectangle has four sides and four corners. But the only difference is between a rectangle and a square is that the sides are not equal. Okay? Good. A triangle has three sides and three vertices or three corners. 1, 2, 3. The sides, right? And the vertices, 1, 2, 3. Everybody get that? Good. So now that we know the properties of plane shapes and what is a plane shape, we're now going to go into look around your classroom and tell them quickly some examples of plane shapes. Good. So we have the desk, the top of your desk, that's the shape of a rectangle, right? At home, so remember, okay, at home, Rachel is at home, she has a clock that has the shape of a circle. Okay? And if you look on the ground, you have squares. Everybody get that? Good. So now what I want you to do, I'm going to draw these things quickly and you're going to tell me what shape it is. What shape? Very good. Circle. This one? Everybody? Rectangle. Last one. Square. This one here. Triangle. Good. Alright, boys and girls, I'm going to give you your activity sheets now. Alright? Good. So boxes for whichever need. So we have the shapes here, right? Good. This for group A. This is what you have to do. Whatever name there is at the top, you draw the plane shape for that. So group A, here you go. Good. Group B, you have to match the shapes to the names. Okay? So you have the square, rectangle, whatever, you have to match it to the names. Okay, group B, here you go. Good. And group C, what you have to do is to complete the sentences below. So we have something has no corners or sides, something has 3 sides and 3 vertices, etc. Right? So you read it and you fill in the blanks. Alright, group C? Here you go. Alright. Good. You have 1 minute, 2 minutes to finish up. Because it's a very easy exercise. Good. I'm going to collect your work and mark it. Alright, good. So, we're going to give the group C work first. Group C, you have to fill in the blanks. Very good, group C, you got all correct. Right? They're saying a circle has no corners or sides, a triangle has 3 sides, 3 vertices, square is the only shape that has all sides equal, a rectangle has 2 sides, short, 2 long sides. Good. That's for group C. Very good, group C. Group B, you had to match. Right? Very good. You matched all correct. Everybody see that? Good. And lastly, group A, you have to draw in the boxes. Let me see these artists in the class. Alright, good. So, let us quickly recap. What's a plane shape? It's a closed 2-dimensional shape. They are flat. So, I'm going to have to give you a riddle. I have no sides, no vertices. What shape am I? Anybody? Okay, to the back. Jessie saying that shape is a circle. Very good. Alright. Thank you so much for paying attention. Goodbye.